Let's meet the Fruit Friends.
First, let's meet Mr. Apple.
Hello, kids. I'm Mr. Apple.
Apple. Let's spell apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple.
Can you find my name?
Let's meet Mr. Orange.
Hey kids, I'm Mr. Orange. Nice to meet you.
Orange. Let's spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-P. Orange.
Can you find my name?
Let's meet Mr. Banana.
Hello, Mr. Banana.
Hello, kids. I'm Mr. Banana.
Banana. Let's spell banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana.
Can you find my name?
Now let's meet Mrs. Strawberry.
Hey kids! I'm Mrs. Strawberry. I'm so beautiful.
Strawberry. Let's spell strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry.
Can you find my name?
Let's meet Mr. Mango.
Hello? I'm Mr. Mango. Well, I'm so tasty.
Mango. Let's spell mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango.
Can you find my name?
Let's meet Mrs. Watermelon.
Hi, kids. I'm Mrs. Watermelon.
Watermelon. Let's spell watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon.
Can you find my name?
Let's meet Mr. Blueberry.
Hello, I'm Mr. Blueberry.
Blueberry. Let's spell blueberry. B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y. Blueberry.
Can you find my name?
Let's meet Mr. Papaya.
Hello, kids. I'm Mr. Papaya.
Papaya. Let's spell papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya.
Can you find my name?
Let's meet Mrs. Grapes.
Hello, kids. I'm Mrs. Grapes.
Grapes. Let's spell grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes.
Can you find my name?
Let's meet Mr. Pineapple.
Hello, kids. I'm Mr. Pineapple.
Pineapple. Let's spell pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple.
Can you find my name?
Good job, kids! Today, you have learned 10 fruits. Let's go for a recap. Apple, orange, banana, strawberry, mango, watermelon, blueberry, papaya, grapes, pineapple. Okay, kids, see you in another fun learning video. Stay tuned.